We're gonna do the little boot, right? So little boot, and then I'll put it all together. Maybe I'm passing the guard, or we always kind of end up passing or bottom position, okay? But it's just good to know how to execute the positions, execute the foot lock. So the 2 straight foot locks, the belly down ankle lock, you know, and then the little boot, okay? So I'm here, I pinch down the toes, and I'm gonna pull that heel tight against my rib cage, okay? So I pinch down the toes, okay? And then I just keep his body away, and I wrap up my foot behind like his hamstring. I mold everything in, okay? So I pinch down the toes, and then I make a fist so that blade is right in the Achilles, okay? And I pinch down the toes, and I pull up, and I kind of go in a little bit, okay? So I pull up, and I go in a little bit, and it gets the guy's knee. You can also grab the lapel, okay? Doing the same thing, right? Pinch down the toes, pull down the toes, and I arch my back, but I twist in a little bit, okay? And I kind of gets the guy's knee. It's a straight ankle lock, okay? But it gets the guy's knee. What can happen? As I arch your back, this hand can slip down. You want to be mindful of that. Same thing even with the hand here. As I pinch down on the toes and I pull up and I twist in, okay? Don't let this hand slide down as I arch my back. Okay, so make sure as you pull it up and it comes in, right? I'm pinching everything down, that this hand stays up, only up, and I got it, okay? And I just got to keep his body away with my foot, just keep him away, okay? And just make sure this foot is like nice and tight, because that helps me kind of control that leg, okay? So another thing, you know, when we did the belly down, you know, that foot helps me adjust here. I can use my hand here to kind of adjust, you know? So I just on the top of the shin, okay? So as I bite here, this hand on the shin can help me adjust it, okay? Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm here, however I get into the position, I keep him away from me, I bite the leg, this hand on the shin helps me adjust it, right? To cinch it up. Pinch down the toes, I get it, I finish, okay? Pull up and turn in, and that's it. Okay, my foot's molded around the hamstring, the back behind the knee, and then this foot just keeps his body away from me. Sound good? Okay, 1, 2, 3, break.